Hello my dear friends, so today I will introduce you to next amazing project, NexaFox. But before I start the video guys, as always I want to mention that this video is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. This video is just informational video. So let's go to video. So guys, first I want to show you this article. Let's look at this article. This article has already started appearing on major crypto news portals, which may indicate that a big hype around the project could be coming soon. So here is the link to the article. I will add this link on description of this video. So guys, I want to show you NexaFox official website. Let's dive into the project. The website is this, NexaFox. NexaFox isn't just a meme coin, it carries the AI meme coin narrative. Looking at the trends of 2026 year, the combination of artificial intelligence and meme coins has incredibly strong potential. The project structure is clear. The pre-sale is divided into phases, and the price increases with each phase. This means the earlier you get in, the better. So guys, phase 1, check this out. Phase 1 sold out in less than 5 days. This demonstrates massive market demand and shows just how fast the community is growing. Phase 2, but the opportunity isn't over. We are now officially in phase 2 of the pre-sale. Here is the highlight. You get a 30% plus bonus on all purchases made with BNB. This is a great way to boost your holdings instantly. So guys, let's talk about the upside. The difference between the current phase price and the official launch price guarantees an instant gain of 2x. In other words, anyone buying now could double their capital the moment it lists on exchange. So guys, I want to show you an example table. Let's look at a mass example. Investment $100, upside until launch 2x, $200, $2,000. Investment $1,000, upside until launch 2x, $2,000. Common meme coin scenario 10x after launch. The result could be $20,000. Basically, $100 has the potential to turn into $20,000 with this project. So guys, I want to show you OKX, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. In terms of visibility, NexaFox is already pre-listed on OKX, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. This shows the project is fully prepared for market entry and is gaining massive traction. So guys, I want to show you audit and QIC badges from CryptoNopex. Security is also a top priority here. The project features a contract audit and the team has completed QIC. You can see the verification badge on CryptoNopex, which ensures transparency. So guys, max listing speculation tweet. There is also a lot of community speculation regarding a possible listing on Max. As we know, major exchange listings significantly increase visibility, liquidity, and trading volume. So you can ask me how to buy. I want to show you how to buy section. How do you buy? It's very simple. First step, access the link in the description. Second step, connect your wallet. You can choose, for example, MetaMask. Third step, choose your amount. And first step, confirm the purchase. I am leaving all the links in description below. including the web and mobile purchase. I will add all links in the description below. If you like my video, please click the like button, write comment and subscribe to my channel. See you next videos, guys.